Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I've got my very latest Rocksbox set to share with you. These pretty earrings that I have in today actually came from my very last Rocksbox. You guys were right. I'm getting a lot of use out of these, and I know I'll get even more use out of them as we're going into fall. They're just so pretty. I'm very happy with my purchase. Can you tell? All right, so now I've got my first box for the month of September to share with you. So I have my monthly credit again to spend. So let's see if there's anything in here that I'm gonna keep. But you know what? I've been holding on to my boxes for a little bit longer to see how much I pull for things before I pull the trigger and buy it. So that's really what I've been doing. So here's the sheet. You get your price sheet. They do send you a preview too of what they're going to send, and you have the option to swap out some of your pieces if you don't like what they're planning on sending you. So that's nice too. All right, so let's dig in and see what's inside. So what did I have? I had 2 pairs of earrings and a necklace. I'm so excited to get to the necklace to see how it looks in person because it looked so pretty online. All right. First, we have a pair of earrings. So these earrings are by Georgiana. They're the Jack's Hoops in Gold 60. Okay, I'm not going to edit that out, but you know, it would help if I took the earrings out of the the bubble wrap. Oh goodness. So they're very pretty. So these are $63. So there's the earrings. So they're a hoop, but they're a little bit of a wider hoop. I think they're very pretty. All right, I should have taken my earrings off before, huh? All right. Let's try them on. I like those. I don't own hoops that are this thick. Many of the hoops that I own are kind of that thin. So be a change, right? So like I said, I'll probably keep them for a while and see how much I pull for them unless I put them on and I absolutely fall in love with them. That's happened before too. You never know until you try things on. And of course I'm going to struggle to get them in now. Let me look at the camera and not you. Oh, and that's still not helping. It's going to be one of those videos, huh? At least we have some entertainment. Ooh, I actually really like these. Oh, I really do. They're not too big either, which I like. The only thing is, so I've been doing a test. So my test is, I'm on the phone a lot at work. So what I'll do is I'll wear these to work. What's today? Today's Monday. I'm not going back to work till Wednesday. So when I go back to work, I'll do the phone test. And if I can talk on the phone with these, then, you know, I may keep them. Yep. I think they're cute. What do you think? And they'll go with a lot too. I'm a gold girl. I really like gold. All right. But you know what? $63 is kind of expensive for these, isn't it? I think it is. All right. Now, let's see what's next. Oh, another pair of earrings. You know, I kind of want to keep these in for a minute. So I'm going to pass on these and I'm going to go to the necklace because I really want to see what the necklace looks like. All right. So the necklace is by Perry Street. It's the Anna necklace in blush, $55. Oh, it's so pretty. Wait till you see it. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at the shine and the sparkle. Oh, I really love that. So pretty. This is like statement without being too statement. You know what I mean? Oh, I love it. I love it already. Hang on. What do you think? Can you see it? Oh, I love this. Oh, it's gorgeous. Yep. So I'm oh, it's flipping. So I'm going to wear this around for a while and see how much I pull for it, but I can see myself pulling for this a lot, so I may keep this. Yep. Oh, it's pretty. All right, let's move on to the last pair of earrings. So these are by Ava Rose. Bubble wrap has to come off so you can see them. These are the, I think you say Way? Maybe Way hoops in silver and purple cat's eye. $59. So they are pretty. They're unique. These scream more spring to me than fall. But let's see how they look on. All right, let me take these earrings out. These feel like they may be a bit heavy. I may have to take the necklace off too so we can get a better idea of how it'll look. All right. Let's see. Oh. I'm struggling today getting my earrings. Oh, they're kind of cute. Let me put the other one in. I'll take the necklace off so we can get a better idea of how it looks too. Let's see. What do you think? I know you can't see them yet. I'm asking you what you think. They do feel heavier in my ear than the other ones. They're cute. I actually kind of like them. Let me take the necklace off so you can get a better idea. Sometimes too much jewelry, you can't tell what the earrings look like. You know what I mean? Oh, I think they're kind of fun. Yeah. A little bit heavy. Not too heavy. They're definitely heavier than the hoops. Well, clearly, because these have more to them, but... Okay, sorry about that. There was a phone call that I had to take, so I got cut off. But these are the earrings. I think they're cute. I think they're fun. I'll see how much I pull for them this month, or until I send back this box. I have to say, I think my favorite piece is this necklace. Boy, now there's a bunch of sirens. That doesn't sound good. I hope everything's okay. There's not usually, I mean, I live near a firehouse, like right around the corner, but sounds like more than that. I think this is my favorite piece. Let me know what your favorite piece was. I'm gonna get off so that we don't hear a bunch of sirens in the background. Thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.